Causes of Erosion by Mrs. Velez and Miss Finch.
Let's start by defining erosion. Erosion is the movement of rock fragments from one place to another.
Sometimes wind picks up soil and moves it to another location. This is called wind erosion. Sometimes the particles that the wind picks up hits other rocks, causing weathering. This is actually how Arches National Park was formed.
The force and impact in which rain hits topsoil causes soil to loosen particles and shift and move them around. This is known as rain erosion.
Running water can also cause erosion. Have you ever noticed smooth rocks in a riverbed? That's because the river gradually removes soil and breaks down rock material from the riverbed and banks, causing rocks to become round. Some canyons and even caves are formed this way.
A glacier is a moving body of ice. The ice and rock carried by the glacier act as sandpaper, leaving U-shaped valleys.
Gravity can also cause erosion. Gravity can push land and water downhill. The steeper the slope of a hill, the more soil is pushed down the hill, causing landslides.
Have you ever stopped to think how animals can cause erosion? Animals eat the vegetation in the land. They are known as herbivores. They also walk around in the same areas, wearing away the land with their feet. Some animals burrow underground, which can cause the ground to collapse. Erosion caused by animals is also known as bioerosion.
Erosion can be both destructive and beautiful. It can break down homes, cause landslides, and destroy roads. But it also creates many of the beautiful national parks people love to visit. Without erosion, we wouldn't have the Grand Canyon, Zion's National Park, Bryce National Park, Carlsbad Caverns, or many other beautiful and inspiring landforms.
This brings us to a great question. What can we do to control erosion? Let's find out. Contour planting and terraces help the soil to stay in its place. Forest and grass areas provide the vegetation and the roots which keep soil from moving. Grass waterways provide a path in which water can travel with less destruction to the areas around it. A windbreak is a row of trees planted in the direction of the wind. It acts as a barrier, keeping the soil from blowing away. Now we've learned that erosion can be both beautiful and destructive. Erosion is the movement of rock fragments from one place to another. We have learned the types of erosion and ways we can control it. We hope you enjoyed our show.